Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video.
How to remove bloated belly in just 60 seconds with this incredible belly fat burning recipe. A bloated belly is common, but it causes many health problems and discomfort. It is usually caused due to hormonal imbalances, indigestion problems, and eating food products that cause overproduction of acid in your stomach. However, there are several ways to get rid of a bloated belly easily. One of the popular nutritionists and healthy food author, Cynthia Sass, has pioneered a health tonic that helps to diminish your bloated belly easily. This tonic has very low calories and acts as a powerful fat burner. You will obtain numerous health benefits by consuming it on a daily basis. The diet exactly highlights the consumption of the sassy water and facilitates losing unnecessary fat rapidly. This liquid solution doesn't allow water retention. Drinking plain water will not give you same effects. Taking this drink helps to enhance the ingestion of electrolytes, and also boost up the organism. Ingredients: number 1. 2 liters of water. Number 2. 12 small mint leaves. Number 3. Teaspoon freshly grated ginger. Number 4. 1 medium-sized lemon, finely sliced. 5.1 medium-sized cucumber, peeled and finely sliced. How to prepare. Take a container or a jug. Mix all ingredients. Let it stand for 1 hour. Drink 8 to 10 glasses every day. This drink helps in improving digestive system, reducing appetite, eliminates bloating. This drink is beneficial and has proven benefits to removing bloating problems. It is recommended by one of the finest nutritionists who runs a famous program called the Flat Belly Program.